Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. This is reading from today till the 10th of October. Let's start. Scorpio, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Devil could be dealing with a Capricorn here. Right now, your partner might be dealing with two people at the same time, or they are feeling extremely toxic or negative, or there's some kind of possessiveness or obsessiveness in their energy. But currently, this person right now is not feeling good. Okay, right now they are dealing with some kind of negativity and toxicity in their life, and might be they are having some kind of addiction or overindulgence of something. Let me clarify the devil. I can't say anything before clarification. So the devil, let me see what is happening in their current energy. Eight of Cups and the Four of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like this person is walking away from somebody, and that somebody might be a long-term committed relationship that they had with somebody, and they're trying to heal from that situation. Or somebody is walking away from them, and that somebody was very close to them on a level where they were, might be they both were committed to each other, or they both were married to each other, but they're trying their best, to heal from this situation. And that's why right now this person is overindulging themselves in some kind of alcoholic situation, or a smoke or something, just to make themselves feel good. There's some kind of walking away situation in this energy of, you know in their current energy right now. Might be this person is trying to walk away from a long-term committed connection and trying to heal from the situation, or might be somebody is walking away from them and they're just trying to heal from the situation. That is the situation that is arising here. They or somebody else is walking away and they're trying to heal from that. Okay, let's see your current energy right now, Scorpio. Page of Pentacles. You're starting something new in your life. Might be you are just starting a friendship with somebody, or might be you are just starting on a friendship level, or some kind of business opportunities coming towards you, or money making opportunity. There's something that you are starting right now, and this is immature energy. This is just the start. This is just the start that you are doing right now. Let me clarify the Page of Pentacles for you. In your current energy, this is immature energy, but this is beautiful energy of a start on some kind of materialistic level, you can say. Let me clarify. Or it could also mean that you are trying to mend a connection with somebody. Let me see. Five of Swords, the Hanged Man, and the Justice could be dealing with a Libra here. So Scorpio, you're trying to solve a battle with somebody. You had a fight with somebody. You had an ego battle actually with somebody, or this ego battle is going on from a very long time. And you were feeling stuck about this situation. You were not able to come out of this situation no matter how hard you tried. But what you're doing right now is you're starting a conversation or a communication from your side, and you're trying to do justice with the situation, okay? With the emotions or with the relationship. You are not trying to break the situation or break the connection. You are trying to do justice with the situation, trying to do justice. This is a beautiful energy of ending a fight. Because of this fight, you were literally stuck somewhere, but you are choosing the way of giving justice to the situation. And I feel like right now that's why you are starting this connection again, or communication again, between you and your person. Okay, cool. Let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you, Scorpio. Four of Cups. Your person right now is very, very confused because I feel like they're having options in their life and they are not able to understand whether they should stay with you or look out for another options, or they should just get emotionally off right now. This person is dissatisfied, completely dissatisfied, not at all happy with the choice that they are having right now in their life. And this person is, feeling, you know this person is feeling like they should have materialistic happiness. I mean, they are running behind something that is not even making them happy or going to make them happy in the future. Running from love. They are trying to run from love. They are feeling like they should take a break and they should just focus more on the money pattern or money matters right now. Let me clarify the Four of Cups as what they feel for you. They are feeling bored and dissatisfied right now. And they are feeling like they should focus more on the money matters. Life fluctuation is happening. Like Emperor could be dealing with an Aries, Five of Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands. I feel like this person is taking a decision that they should leave the connection or the situation right now, and walk away and follow their passion. Follow their passion, whatever they are passionate about. Might be they are passionate about money making, or might be they are passionate about some kind of job or business or bodybuilding. There's something that they are literally very, very passionate about, and they're trying to find their passion. Actually, this is a situation. They're not actually clear about what they are so much passionate about, but they're trying their best to find a passion and to follow that. But right now, this person is feeling like that they should walk away. They have took this decision that they should walk away right now and they should focus more on the things that they are, being very passionate about. They feel like this connection with you is getting a little, stale, or things are not going the way that they should be. There's nothing left in this connection that is passionate. Losing the passion, basically. Feeling like losing the passion with you. With this particular connection. In this particular connection, you can say. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you. Page of Wands. They want to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to have a passionate start with you. This is the exact word. This is what they want. Page of Wands. They want to bring in the passion back in this connection that they're lacking, that you guys are lacking with each other. And this person is highly in this mode of, I don't know what is happening. I just don't feel like that, like there's passion between us, or there's romance between us, or this connection is going somewhere. This person is feeling like this. Let me clarify the Page of Wands as what they want. They just want to bring in the passion back in this connection. This is the truth. Seven of Swords, Nine of Wands, and the Hierophant. Taurus energy. I feel like now what they want from you is that they want to tell you something about someone. They are really very, very scared to tell you some kind of truth. They have something to tell you. They are going to tell you this. And they are very hurt, very, very hurt. So I feel like this person right now is very, very hurt because of somebody else. And that's why this connection, the whole connection with you is suffering. They want to tell you something. And they are very, very hurt because of a Taurus person here. Or because of somebody who was very close to them. Or they want to tell you something about the commitment kind of energy or marriage kind of energy. Might be this person is seeing somebody else also for marriage thing. Or might be their family is pressurizing them to start some kind of connection with somebody. There is some kind of hidden energy that they want to reveal to you. Okay, they want to tell you this. and they no longer can hold this situation, because they are feeling like the longer they are holding this situation, the difficult it is, the more difficult it is becoming day by day. This is the situation here. Now it is not the matter of only passion. Now this is the matter that they want to start a communication with you and tell you something that is really important for them and for you and for this connection. They just want to reveal some kind of truth. Okay? This is what they want from you. They want to tell you something. Or it could also be possible that they got to know something about you and they want to hear it from you. They want the clarity from you. They want the answers from you. This could also be the situation here. See, I told you the roles can be reversed anytime. Let me see what is happening with you till the 10th of October. 5 of Wands. There will be fight between you guys. 5 of Wands. There will be battle. There will be conflict. There will be fights. I feel like this is going to be an ugly spat between you and your partner, because some kind of hidden energy is going to come out, some kind of truth is going to come out, and that's literally going to make this connection a little, conflicting, and that's why there will be fights. Let me clarify the 5 of Wands. Hermit could be dealing with the Virgo here, Page of Pentacles and the High Priestess. This person, whomsoever you are connected with, this person will try their best to remain silent and keep their calm and listen to their intuition, and they will feel like they will tell you something when the time will be correct. But might be you are going to get to know this from somebody else, or you are going to get the truth out of somewhere, and that's going to create a ruckus between you guys. That's going to create a fight between you guys. And you guys are literally going to fight. Might be not fighting like verbally or physically, but cold war will be there. A definite cold war between you and your partner is going to be there, because there's something that is coming to light, and that something is not really good about this connection. Okay? So thank you so much, Scorpios, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.